Who? Y'all hear those dogs? Them big dogs? They coming back Monday night. I'm going with Detroit Lions on the road Monday night against Green Bay. The big dog, Detroit Lions. Bet against me. You don't believe me? Bet against me. But you better get out the yard, because them dogs gonna bite. Maco, is you crazy? Detroit Lions on the road against the Green Bay Packers? You think they pull it out? Them dogs, you better get out the yard. If you don't believe me, bet against me. Detroit balling this year. They tired of Aaron Rodgers. The only people who hate Aaron Rodgers more than the bad people are the Detroit people. Believe me on that. We go to Green Bay, go to Lambeau, win outright, take the money line, plus 188. Big dog. Let's get paid Monday night football, prime time. Eat them up. Don't believe me? Bet against me.